What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful trading day today. The FOMC just came out, sent it wild, up and down. Trader's dream. Everyone making money. Yes, sir. And also ICT and PW. That's Patrick Wyland. What a drama between these two. Unbelievable. Explain a little bit about that today. And for all you people that are ICT crazy or just crazy, what's her name? Barbie something on YouTube's ripping up ICT because they're all, I'll explain it. Let's get over to the trading and the main screens and check out the day and see what's going on. So here's what happened with the FOMC. Went wild. Went down to $8.01 on the NASDAQ, back up to 830. It loves 830. So we go to the 15-minute chart right here. You can see the big whip. It came all the way down, watched it. I actually printed $8.01. Bought that dip down there at 801. That was one of my scale-ins right there. And that thing just ripped right back up and went all the way to 840. Came all the way back down to 816, back up. It's just a wild, wild, wild. Glad I'm done for the day. Traded it a little bit in that after flow, but that was about it. That was about it. So if we see here, let's come over to my Twitter. Follow the drama. And the guy's name is Mike Huddleston. Her name is Barbie something. Forex Barbie or something like that. She did a whole thing on ICT and those guys. Here it is. It's Patrick. I think he blocked me. He's got this one. Wyland right here. See, he blocked me. Ooh, I'm blocked. How come it's not showing that on my screen right here? Hold on a second. Yeah. So he blocked me, but we got right here ICT. Right here. This is the guy right here. He's got 500,000 traders. Supposedly he's like got some vertigo, some mental problems. I have no idea. He's taken old research and old methodologies of trading and renamed them to current names and is like selling them as courses. And he has a cult that's like 500,000 people that are all into his trading, but his trading is like 20 different concepts. He calls them a concept. That's what he calls them. In a circle tribe. Calls them concepts. And he supposedly won this Robbins Cup, where it's like the greatest champion trader of all time, and he's going to win it again. And he said he'd make 11,500% return. And then there's this guy Patrick Wyland that's calling him out on YouTube, saying, "I'll bet you $500,000 you don't do that. You don't." I'll show you. I'll go to his page. Where is it? It's back to 830 again, that stupid thing. So ICT, there's some, you'll see the guy. Where is the bets? What's today? 19th? Oh, it should be right around here. Maybe it's in his replies. I see it on my phone. Yeah, it's got to be in his replies. Look, this person trying to explain things she doesn't know. Pure comments. Barbie, this is her. How really ICT breaker blocks. Old ICT man, this is him right here. Pathetic. ICT is very pathetic, from screaming on live streams like a madman. very unprofessional to focusing on stupid things. And then he has a bet with this one guy for $500,000. And the guy did a rant yesterday on this guy that was just like so out of control. They're both jerks as far as I'm concerned. Oh, here, this is probably him. But I don't saw 22 hours ago. So yeah, it's probably in here somewhere. Right here, see? Patrick, I actually make money. This is the drama. Right here, the drama. The drama. So he actually right here, I make money, laugh out loud. He actually doesn't make money. He makes money here, but he loses it. He doesn't get payouts. He makes on his YouTube channel $7 a subscription. He has 100,000 subscribers. That's 70,000 a month. As an Apex affiliate, makes another 100 and something thousand a month. He's making 250,000, 300,000 a month as a social media guy. Never gets paid trading, so don't get fooled. And he has a Lambo and a McLaren, and he's in Hawaii. And dude, 8 months ago, he didn't have nothing. He was arrested, came back to Florida to go to trial and do all this shit, had nothing, started over, and all of a sudden, you know, left Top Step, is now an Apex affiliate, thinks he's the king, living like a millionaire with $300,000 in his bank. He's been showing his bank account online and shit. It's fucking crazy. Who would do that? Who shows that for? I'm selling a shit. I had to get up $500,000 to show you. It's all in here and shit. It's like a freaking soap opera. It's fucking crazy. Let me show you my other thing. Let me go into my other page. I'll show you, because this guy, he blocked me and shit on my main. But his shit, you could see, it's like all drama and shit. It's crazy. And then there's this old guy, Peter Brandt, that makes these things too. So here's this guy, Patrick, right here. So he's like the hottest day trader on YouTube. Yeah, he's not so hot, dude. His chick's pretty hot, but he ain't so hot. So right here, a bunch of, he's live right now if you want to go watch him. So right here, he doesn't talk about his Apex accounts no more. Now it's all of a sudden these top steps. Right here, challenge accepted, get to the top of the leaderboard. Right here, 42,000 in 3 days on these accounts and XFA. But he will, you know, he won't get a pay, blow him and shit. He goes in with 30 minis. Yeah, you'll win 2 or 3 times, but you're going to blow it on the 4th time. The end is near. Doesn't need to make 11,500 in the Robbins Cup because Chris is coming to the earth to rule. Look, ICT, everything's ICT. Right here, adding 10 contracts to my position. That's how he blows his accounts and shit. He's in 14 contracts with $1,000. And yeah, he'll do great on that trade, but the ones he blows, and he copy trade, he blows all his accounts in one shot all the time. See, let's go, getting paid, but it's not him. It's one of his students took his course and shit. And he's in with fast track trading now, promoting that. See, look, there's no more Apex. It's just freaking these. What happened to Apex, dude? You blew them all up. So ICT drama right here. Look, ICT drama, ICT drama, ICT drama. There's so much drama. It's crazy, dude. Look. Dear Pat, ICT won't make the bet. Look, $500,000. Look, more crazy trading right here. He's in 9 lots and shit in a crazy down bar, and he's logged off and lost all of that. So this guy's absolutely nuts. Look, he did this thing right here on the beach and shit, shooting a cover for Day Trader magazine. I think he took his bank accounts down because he's like, he made a bet with this guy for $500,000 and had to show that he had $500,000. And I'm like, who does that? See, here's his Apex accounts. Look, so from this date on September 12th, it's 6 days ago, these are all gone. They're all gone. And he used to do $4,000 in a day, but then he realized he goes too big, and he blew all those too. The #1 day trader on YouTube. I think it's hysterical. And it's so much drama. I'm like, okay, what happened between these two now at the end of the day? See all these Apex accounts? They're all gone. See, look, I blew up 20 accounts again. See? And he says he's the greatest. Look, and he has a contract. He actually said, I drew up a contract with my lawyer to send it to him. And he actually did that, he said. Send him an email with a contract for hair. Look, this is his bank account. He's got a McLaren, a Lambo, a $500,000, a $700,000 boat with forex. Just to go on the boat costs $10,000. Dude, he's living in Hawaii right now, paying all the shit here in Florida and living like a king, like a multi-millionaire, ripping on this guy Rips online, who really is a millionaire. And he's only got that, and that's all the money he has. He had to put everything together to get $500,000, 512. To bet. Who does that, dude? And he lives like a millionaire, and he only has 300,000. Fucking nuts. See, look, he's blowing up accounts and shit. See, he ain't a fucking good trader. I never would do that shit. I never trade. I never teach people to trade like that. Never trade like that. His concepts are fucking ridiculous. ICT's concepts are fucking out of this world ridiculous. There's only one thing that works. The CANSLIM system from William O'Neill. It's worked for 50 years. It's worked for me for 30. It'll work for you too. That's all it is. The CANSLIM. Look, blew up again. Funded accounts again. Blew them all up. Bing, oh well, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? So it's a drama, dude. It's a drama. It's a drama. See, he had these. He blew them up, went back there, went back to the A's, back and forth between the firms. And he calls the firm, and they give him the accounts because he's a social media fucking guy. So, and he's just tricking everybody. His systems really don't work because variance is too deadly. What variance is, no matter how good you are, you go to the casino, you get your chips, and you play. And you're like, dude, I can't stop winning. This dealer just gives me winning hand after winning hand after winning hand. Dealer leaves, next dealer comes in, deals you shit. You're like, I'm going to get up out of the table. If this dealer, get the fuck out of here. That's variance. No matter how good you are, you're going to run into the shit. And how you handle it is how you do it. Are you going to blow up? What are you going to do? So this is a great drama, dude, right here. It's a good little drama. It's a good little drama between the ICT and this guy right here. See, I'll be the champion of the highest record return, and I'll post this return on December 24th. And then Patrick's like, no, you won't. You fucking suck. You don't even trade. I'll bet you $500,000. And that's like how it started and shit. Look, there's no need for me to continue to make you look like a fool, because in January of 2025, you will not win the Robbins Cup or do anything you promised. I don't need to say anything else. I'll gladly escrow $500,000 right here. Either way, the $500,000 bet stands, and the $100,000. Now it's $1 million bet. Now he's in with the owner of Fast Track, he said in his video, and they're going to put up $1 million. He's out of his fucking mind, dude. And he's going to lose his YouTube channel and never do it again. He's just doing it for fucking views and shit. And he'll make 100,000 or 200,000 just off the fucking publicity of it and shit. So yeah, probably hopes it goes that fucking long. So then you have right here ICT. His concepts are fucking convoluted, out of fucking control, crazy. Here's my swing trade newsletter. That's based on the CANSLIM system from William O'Neill. They're small cap stock picks that have 7 similar characteristics on every pick. And I'll show you my last newsletter. So here's the last one that went out this Sunday. I already took 2 profits from it. Right here. So this is the newsletter. September 15th. Okay. Here's the structure of the newsletter, the rules of the newsletter, my Hinds trade play. And then look, here's a synopsis. I got a couple of cryptos. I got Litecoin, LTCN, Litecoin and Ethereum, Newegg Commerce, APTO, and Money Hero are open. And I took profits on LGMK from 18 to 30 in 3 days for 66%. And Focus International, FCUV, from the 9/1 newsletter, which was the week earlier. Let me show you the 9/1 newsletter. And this was the CANSLIM system on the 9/1 newsletter right here. So here's the 9/1 newsletter, and here is Logic Mark at 18 cents. Okay. And here's FCUV at 27 cents. You can see increased volume. Volume's up 4,681%. And take a look at that chart, boys. Take a look at that chart. Right there, you see that? Let's just shrink and dink this. How do I shrinky dink that? There we go. So that's FCUV right there. And you got 27 cents increased volume, earnings coming out right there. They got 30 cents to go through and then test 54 cents. They did 2 quarters ago, 300% increase. And the quarter before that, a 433% increase. 64.9 million shares in the float, 8% owned by mutual funds. So it has the CANSLIM system, CANSLIM. C is current earnings. You can see those last 2 current earnings are pretty strong at 430 and 300. And these other ones are really insignificant. These stand out like a sore thumb. So something's going on with the Focus because it's up 4,681% in volume on 316 million shares traded versus 6.6. This is what the institutions, the banks, and the mutual funds look at, is the Market Smith database. They don't look at ICT freaking concepts. They don't. They look at the CANSLIM system and find stocks that historically fit the same pattern, that every stock that went from 10 to 100 had the same 7 characteristics. The C is current earnings per share. A is annual sales. This company's got it. N is something new. What do? They provide patented hardware and software design technologies for the Internet of Things and 5G. Dude, you guys are in 3G, 4G. This is 5G, new. S, shares outstanding, perfect, 64.9. Little bit on the above medium side, but nothing high. L, is it a leader? Yup, it's a B+ group rating, B+. If I got a B+ in school, I'd do pretty damn good. Then you got after the S, the L, the I, institutional sponsorship, 8%. The shit's got it. And then M, market momentum. Let's see what they did with 4,000% increase in volume. They went from 27 cents to, look at that, 840 on SQQ. FCUV, look at this on the daily chart, went to 55 cents, just what I told you it was going to go to on the circle on the red chart. Right there. 54 cents. Told you. Let's look at the one before that. Logic Mark. So again, you have similar pattern. Check it out. You got the C and the A. The current earnings per share in the annual sales. 48% increase. 56% increase. 13% increase, and a double barrel with a 1% means they turned the corner, and a 76% increase before that. They're going from a loss of $45 a share when it was big, loss of $15 a share, loss of $11 a share, lost at $2 a share with an 82% growth rate. This is the concept. It's the CANSLIM fucking system. If you don't use it, you've way been under serving yourself in the market with your stock picks. My newsletter goes out every Sunday with these babies in there. Have 144 months of winning months in a row. Every single person gets access to the swing newsletter right here on the bottom. Every single tab for 144 months are on the bottom. Look, on the bottom. Look, every month. May of 2020, I did 81 out of 74. 91%. Average gain 45%. NBRV 128. Ramble On went 427%. It went from $2 to $10.55. NNDM went from $1.35 to $5.05, 274%. Moderna went from 32 to 65. This is when COVID hit. This is my COVID newsletter. Moderna. Vapotherm, 1655 to 28. United States Oil Fund from 490 to 2105 in 41 days. You better ask somebody how good this newsletter is. $1.36 to $3.05. Let's go to January. 69 out of 62. Anything over 100 here, we go Trill from 75 to 450, 500%. I have 144 winning months in a row with this newsletter, doing this every month. This has been going out every month for 13 years, 4 times a month, every month. 23 out of 19, 83% for 14%. Let's skip a couple of years. April of 2018, 3.4. July of 2018, 11 out of 9, 49%. I hit Jivo, which is the new pick today. Jivo's in this newsletter I just took a profit on. Thank you, Jivo. Last time went from 490 to 8, and then from 490 to 18. Jivo, look. GEVO. Look at Jivo. My pick right here. Look at the Jivo. See? Let's head back to this current month. My first pick was Facebook at 25 bucks. So look, Jivo, $1.25 to $1.80, 44% in 3 days. Told you, look what the Jivo did. Here's the Jivo pick right here. So first one was Drive Shack. Keep an eye on Drive Shack. Something's going on with it. They got 4 good quarters of earnings now. It's all priced in. This Ocean Power Technologies, 4 good quarters of earnings. It shot to 57 cents. It's at 19. Here's IDEX, base breakout. Look, 4 good quarters. 999%, 36%, 6%, 6% on 20 million. They're going from a loss of $20 to a gain of $1,100 a share. How the fuck is that possible? That's a typo. It can't be right. It's a typo. But if that's true, this thing's not a 20-cent stock. It's a $20 stock. IDEX. They operate artificial intelligence and blockchain-powered fintech technology. Ocean Power Technologies develops proprietary systems that generate electricity by harnessing renewable energy waves in the ocean. They have buoys that go up and down in the ocean. Cool. Microvast at 22 cents, base breakout. Look, 4 good quarters. Look what happened to MVST. Look, MVST. Look, boom, since my pick, 4 days in a row. This is the way to do it, dude. Who cares about what I see? This is proof in the pudding. 144 winning months in a row. Look, same system, 22 cents. Same system, base breakout. Here's 22nd Smoking Company. And this Microvast, they develop and design Li-ion batteries and materials specifically for electric vehicles. Microvast. are my picks. These are the picks from this one. Boom, boom. Here's another one. This was APTO. Look, 3 good quarters, 16 million in the float, growing from a loss of 7 to a loss of 2 to a loss of $1. Increased analyst estimates for next year, 16% in the float, 14% by mutual funds, B+ rating, going through $1.15. Strong shit down here with volume coming in up 2,000% at 6.3 million versus 225,000. Apto Bioscience is a Canadian company that's in the development of anti-cancer drugs that target aberrant oncologic signaling. The CANSLIM system. I didn't invent it. I don't change it. I just have a proprietary knowledge base. I know how to pick them on the small cap side. CANSLIM. Here it is. Investors Business Daily. He's the editor of the Investors Business Daily. The author of the book, How to Make Money in Stocks. This is the guy, William O'Neill. Who invented it? Right here, William O'Neill. The CANSLIM, see? What is it? System for selecting growth stock that uses a combination of technical and fundamental analysis. Ackerman stands for 7 characteristics of the biggest winning stocks. In his book, How to Make Money in Stocks, I have the book right there on my desk. That's how you do it. Market's closing it from 840 right now on SQQ towards the fucking high of 843. I wish it was closing at 807, to tell you the truth. But it don't matter. It's going to 850. And then it's going to 9. It was at 11. I told you dust earlier in the day was going to go. Didn't I tell you dust, guys, was going to go? DUST. It's the ETF of the gold. I told you it was going to go and set a new high today. Dust. Told you. So if you're into dust and nugget, these are leading indicators for the futures for gold. So if you would have listened to me and took the gold futures long, you would have made a fortune today. I did it when it went through 550. It started at 509. The other one is this, Gush and Drip. Gush is the bull of the oil, and Drip is the bear of the oil. So from watching these stocks, you can get a leading indicator on oil futures. This is Bitcoin, GBTC. So as this stock is moving through $47, you get long Bitcoin and you win. This is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. This is a leading indicator for Ethereum. This is a leading indicator for Litecoin. This is a leading indicator for the NASDAQ sometimes, which is Apple if it starts to sell off first, then the NASDAQ, then the futures. Double leading indicators. That's how I do it. So yeah, it was a cool little show. Let me see if anybody's, if it did even come in, anybody watching right here. Yeah, I got a couple people watching. Couple people. It's a good little show. But the markets are closed. Let me show you how I did today with my trading, where I'm at. Let's watch SQ.
That's really pretty interesting, Mike.
What's up, buddy?
That was pretty good going through that. I like that.
Cool. I'm glad you did. Let me show you how I traded today. Show you my report. I keep a report, like an Excel file. And here's my trading. So this is my one right here. And you can see how I keep track. So all my students get one of these, keep track right here. So you could see right here, like I lost on this, but when I lose $133, big freaking deal. I made 960. This was an eval. I'm up, gonna pass right down here. It's a 258 and 893. I made $5,000 today, 1,300 yesterday. That's my newest one I'm passing. And then I just started this one today with $153. This one I've traded for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 16, 7, and 18. This one right here, I'm going to get a payout right now on at 52,603. This one I'm going to get a payout on. This one I'm going to get a payout on. And this one I'm going to get a payout on. These four. And then the next payout period, I'm going to add those and get 1, 2, 3, and add these and on the next. And this is how I keep track of my trading right here. So this is my one account. And then my other account, how I keep track, is cool and easy. Right here, these are my LILOs. So my LILOs are real nice for this week. For this week right here, I've done a 187, 168, 230, boom, boom, and had a big one on that one, 1900 day. And then again, boom, 230, 370, 400, 1717, 1396. And then today, 239, 202, 225, 273, and 320. I'm at 52.7 right here. I'm at 253 here. I'm at 53.4 there. I'm at 101.4 and 101.5. 3 days, 5 days, 20 days, 20 days, 15 days. And I do that every single day. When I lose, I don't lose a lot. When I win very consistently across the board. And if you're not doing that, you guys should be. I trade with Apex Trader Funding. They're the firm, the Shack, Dallas Shack, ATF.com is the website. Not Abercrombie and Fitch. ApexTraderFunding.com. Their sale lasts 80%. Use the code MOJO on checkout to always get the best deals with the discounts. It's 80% off, 1 day to pass, $85 lifetime PA. I've got lifetime PAs on all of my PAs. I never have to pay a PA fee. I'm freaking stoked. 20 accounts, $85 each. Figure $100 each. That's $2,000 a month, $24,000 a year I'm saving. Just in fees because I passed and did their current deal. I'm actually glad I don't have my old accounts that had those $85 monthly things. They've paid out $92 million in 90 days. This company paid out $307 million since 2022. You come right here and you go to firms on the payout. Here's their payouts. You don't think this firm pays out. Look, Mordecai. I have a cousin, Mordecai. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payouts, 2,000 each. And I heard, I'll find out tonight when I put in my request. There is one day that I made a mistake and pressed the button too many times. And I was going to write them a letter saying, oh, I messed up last night. I thought it was my eval, but it was my PA. I made $120, but I quickly closed it out. Are they going to not pay me out because of one trade? I hope not. So we'll see. Mordecai, because I keep track of every trade. Vivian, here's Gershman's got Martin's got a bunch of accounts. So yeah, this company does it all. And if you go to tools, you could come right down here. They're trading tools. Powerful right here is the Mojo, helping new traders with one-on-one coaching and mentoring. You click that, you come to my page, you set an appointment in my calendar, and boom, I help you with your trading. There it is. It's as simple as that. That's what I do. Hi, Uber. I don't trade, he says, I don't trade futures, but I trade SPY. I trade the SPY in ES. So does Kevin. If you want to see right here, Kevin, he's stubborn, but he's good. So this is Kevin, only trades the SPY and ES with my system through the Hinds. So here's Kevin right here. This is today. He made on 30. He goes too big. I told him to reel back, dude. He made in 30 contracts in 10 minutes trading the SPY through Hinds, 6,225. He just passed a 300,000 eval today at 320. Said, dude, reel back now, man. 10 for the rest of the way. You just made $6,000. Cool it, dude. Cool it, please. And the other day, he did it again. This is the power of the level 2. UBS Securities. Watch those, dude. Pretty good. There's Panda. There's my Friday. See how I trade? Small every time. Look, between $100 to $300, dude. That's all I need. And I'm passing evals with the other big ones. Look, here's Kevin. See? Another good day today. He did like 10 grand. He trades the ES. So yeah, come to my Discord, man. Here's the QR. Check out my Discord. Right there. Free chat room. Take your phone. Put that shit on there. You can come on over to the Discord. I also have a free preview of my course. I never had that ever. So if you guys go here to Mojo University Teachable, right here, and you go to my courses, you go to the Futures Masterclass, you could see a free preview of my course right there. So if you go here, where is it? Let me see. So if you go to, where is the link? Let me get the link. And you watch the course. See, everybody slams the shit down your throat, and then you have to get a refund. Dude, watch my course number 1. If you want to watch the rest, go right ahead. It's there for you. It's futures. I think this is it. Yeah, it's futures right there. So this is the course that has the free preview right here. If you enroll, is this it? Nope, this is the archived one. It's not it. I think it's futures course. This is it. You got to enroll, and then you can check it out. Contact me. Come to the Discord. I'll hook you up. I also got a webinar I'm doing on the 22nd at 5 o'clock in 4 days. So you can come there too. It's free. 8:33. I'm so glad SQQ came fucking down. So glad it came down. Futures turned back on at 6 o'clock. So he said, appreciate the answer. There you go, boss. Can this method be used with the futures? Not the CANSLIM, but my method does of the Heinz trade play. That is used with the futures. Better believe that is. Yes, indeed. Hey, Lou, I'll call you right back. Hold on a second. Hello? Okay. I'll call you right back. Nice. I'm not even streaming here, am I? No, it says viewers waiting. Unbelievable, right? I'm streaming on my other channel though. It's so fucked up. Something didn't connect to this. I gotta check this from now on. So I come here. I go to. I am streaming on YouTube, but it's on my other channel. It's like on my live. Let's see. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right here, but under a different. And I set it up with. That's what it was. It's all fucked up. It's all fucked up with the restream. But at least I saw Twitch come in. So let me see if I go like here. I go here. I add. I go YouTube channel. No. Here. Here. Nah, it's all fucked up. I don't know. But I'm on this show called Kick. I don't know what Kick is, but I'm on it. Oh, Panda. What you do today? Panda did something good today. Here's the Discord. Discord was pumping today. So here's the Discord. Came in the morning, knew that FOMC was happening today. This was yesterday. See, same thing across the board. Small and steady, dudes. I ain't no fucking bigwig. I ain't a big shot. I don't want to be. Big shots fucking don't last too long. So here's my move on SQQ. Cross market. Tells you the stock is going higher, so the NASDAQ will go lower seconds later. It's 9:29:14. The market's about to open, and it goes 15:16. The market's open for 4 minutes. Then it goes 6, 7. It's a nickel accelerator zone. So in between 16 to 20 is an accelerator nickel zone. The stock will fly higher by 5 cents. If it does, the NASDAQ will make 3 red bars lower. See? Go 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then I marked it, and 1813 is 1900. And then the Hines got me back positive for the day. Here's the Hines going through on Ethereum. Everything Hines is the even dollar, $20. It's the Mojo concept. Show me something that doesn't Hines. Look, let me show you. Look at every stock. Apple going through what's the biggest bar of the day right here, going through 220. I saw it right here. It's up $4 at 221. I said the biggest bar is going to be 220. It's right here, the first big bar going through 220. It went all the way up to 221.77. The Hines trade works. Let's look at the next winner on the day that's up, and that would be Coin. Didn't really do much. It's not green. Green stocks, not red stocks. So there are no green ones. There's no green ones. Apple's the only one. So yeah. Close that. Close this. We're pretty much done for the day. I had a really nice sesh today. Twitter would like my feedback. All right. Cool. I get so many emails. Let me see where I'm at. Gotta end this puppy. So this stream didn't come in on YouTube. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Came in on my other. So the people in my newsletter didn't get the right fucking link. Oh, well, what are you going to do? Close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. All right, I closed everything, dude. Listen, it's not Friday, but it sure feels like it. I want you guys, everybody, to have a good, restful night. FOMC's over. It's going to be a great environment to trade. My SQQQ and my NASDAQ, I love it. It closed 831. It loves $8.30. It loves that number in the last 4 trading sessions. Loves it. Come trade it with me. Peace. Give me a like, a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next Mojo show. Peace.